It's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, a website to find the best web hosting companies and promotions going on at any given time. In today's video, I'm super excited to be going over domain.com. We're going to be reviewing the company as well as showing you how to get a promotion. And there's a few promotions going on right now, which I will leave in the description or the pinned comment. If you don't care to hear the review and you just want that, then make sure to check those out. And the promotions right now are either 25% off or a free domain, okay? So you can choose one or the other. And if you don't know who domain.com is, they're an American-based domain registration and web hosting company. They launched in 2000, and their mission is to provide the rarest combination, the highest quality products, reliability, some of the most affordable prices in the industry. And they start their cheapest servers out at $3.75, and it'll be even cheaper if you use that 25% off. And they also have .com domains for $9.99. The company was acquired by Endurance International Group, also known as EIG. They own a lot of big hosting companies such as Bluehost, HostGator, iPage. And the company, this company caters specifically towards startups, small businesses, entrepreneurs, and creative professionals, okay? They have hundreds of different TLDs. If you don't know what a TLD is, that's just a domain extension. So .com, .org, .space, they have hundreds of different ones to choose from, which is really awesome, okay? And their bread and butter is definitely, as far as I'm concerned, is domain registration. However, they do offer web hosting as well, okay? And they have 2 data centers in the United States. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee. They have monthly payments on some of their bigger plans and yearly payments on some of their smaller plans. They have domain purchase, they have WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, shared hosting, and they have a free website builder. And yeah, guys, so make sure to check out the promotion down below in the description or pinned comment. If you're just buying a domain, then you can use the 25% off. If you're looking to get a host and you want the free domain, you can use the free domain promo or the 25% off, whatever ends up being cheaper for your plan. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe. And make sure to check out Host.Promo. Peace out.